please.
Saying.
Okay.
Where you want me? Listen.
Thank you, Chris. Come. बाजी इनके हाथ में थापी लग रही कपड़े धोने वाली. You know what is थापी?
No, what's Tappy?
Okay, I will show you.
Yeah.
It's same like the bat. Oh, can I have थापी? I want to see you eat this थापी in your hand. Actually, I will brief you about this. You take this.
It's only gonna beat me.
No. This is called Thapi. It's an Indian washing machine. Mother wash clothes with them. Big sari, uthal puthal, thap thap. Water, soap. Naliyan, enjoy.
So that's a Tappy.
Yeah, this is called Thapi.
Tappy.
Yeah, in Indian ladies sit like this, big clothes, thap, and clean all the dust.
Yeah.
And and the one thing is more, this is also used for their kids. Because kids play cricket with this in the local streets. And let me hold my breath. I'm speaking so much English in bulk. I've never spoken so much English in last 30 years.
Jeez.
Okay, just take a breath and let me make the other sentence. And mothers also use this thapi to punish their kids.
Yeah.
You know, they don't call 911 like in America. In India, if you don't beat your kid, you are not certified parents. I mean, am I right, Paji? ठीक है, बिल्कुल ठीक है. In our India, हम लोग अपने मोहल्ले में खेलते हैं जैसे क्रिकेट बच्चे कि जिसका बैट हुआ उसी की ओपनिंग, वही ओपनर होगा. वो मैच जब मर्जी बंद कर सकता है. उसकी माँ जब आगे गालियां देते हुए मैच खल्लास. So in India, if we are kids, there are lots of kids in India, actually more than all over the world. We have produced 150 crores. They are very shy people, Indian are, but not in their home. So I just want to know, in West Indies, is the same procedure?
It's the same procedure. Honestly, it's similar. I swear to you, it's similar. But sometimes we get. But sometimes when you misbehave, we don't call 911. If we get mapstick, sometimes we don't get a tappy.
Okay.
Whatever, with the broomstick, the mom reach a broomstick,
Okay.
she's gonna use the broomstick.
तो ये भी झाड़ू खा के बड़े हुए हैं. So mothers are always same.
Yeah.
Whether they are in India or they are in West Indies. Happy Mother's Day. अच्छा, हमने बचपन में गलियों में क्रिकेट खेलते ना, पड़ोसियों की खिड़कियां बड़ी तोड़ी हैं. हाँ, तो ये बंदा तो सीधे हेलीकॉप्टर तोड़ता होगा मेरे ख्याल से. Chris, have you ever broken any helicopter's window because you hit long six?
Not so far.
क्रिस के साथ हम और भी बातें करेंगे जितनी कर सकेंगे. So फिलहाल मैं क्रिस को इनवाइट करना चाहता हूँ सोफे की तरफ. मतलब क्रिस, प्लीज हैव अ सीट.
Okay, thank you.
अच्छा, क्रिस एक अच्छे ऑलराउंडर तो हैं ही, लेकिन इनमें और भी बहुत सारे टैलेंट है. क्रिस, I heard you sing very well, right? So let's do something in Hindi and English. Okay?
You sing one, I sing one.
Okay. जी. बाहर बनके आऊं कभी तुम्हारी दुनिया में. ना 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 ना
you're such a great singer. I like the way you so simmer. I'm not cutting out that say do. You know the fans they really love you. Baby, I love you. I need you. Close to. Don't leave me. I'm crying. Please, baby.
Superb.
Oh, brilliant.
That was too good.
Boss.
10 on 10.
10 out of 10.
10 on 10.
to show off to his friends that you are his student. He's बाप पे गया है. तो क्या करेगा?
दोस्त, ये है गिल, मेरे स्टूडेंट. गिल, take it and stand like this.
So you want to stand like this? I'll do my turn.
ओए, वो लेफ्ट हैंड से खेलते हैं.
Oh, okay. As you want to stand,